Jump. Come on.
It is smoky book.
Hey, you the Joe. That's shit.
It is smoky book. It is taking down.
No one what? And what's you not calling for?
Mama, now you will find come. Say, go come see you. We want to be like you. We want to get well like you, mama.
When I want to be like
Yes, now.
when I go sabi the things what I do.
Mama, we go do everything now. Anything when you tell us, we go do it.
When I reach sure say I go fit do am.
Mama, why can't you just come here now?
And I go test you now. Make I check whether I go fit do am.
It is smoky book.
Una ready for the test?
Mama, we ready. Mama, how many years we done do test? We need money, oh.
Una see those couples so.
Yes.
Una look, una see.
Yes.
I want now test now I want test now so. I want una go collect everything. Una go obtain their property, anything, their phone, anything they don't get. Una go collect am. Wait.
Oh my God. Jesus is Lord.
Oh yeah.
Thank you, ma.
Waka.
Apostle, we hear of this.
First now, we are going to be... Stop there! Otherwise, if you move, I will blow your head off. I don't want to hear this. It's not a case. I said, shut up!
Oh my God.
Okay, they said oh, yeah, waiting again for them. Madam, bring soup. When you don't take this back, you are the man.
There's money inside. Oga, please spare our life.
Stop
Oga,
that.
please
What
don't
do you mean,
kill
Oga,
us.
spare our life? Can't you spare our life? Now this more money, now.
Oga, please. Oga, please.
Madam, take all this gun, you disgrace. You don't know yourself. I say all this.
You be mumu. You think say they
You
wise?
said lazy Nigeria.
Mumu man.
Talk to your guy now, please.
Wait, I don't understand you. Why you go give this woman gun? Make
We do keep
Woman,
quiet.
not the whole gun. You don't even see where like a woman the whole gun. They give your wife gun. And they count money before. Madam, you the craze. Wait. I give you gun. Oh, you be hand over. Why I give you gun? Oh, you I give me the gun. One collect gun, you want hold gun like say you be hand over. Give me my gun. You take. Hold on. Who let take that gun? Hold on. If you do anyhow, you see anyhow, you dey feel me.
Oga, sure say Bele did the gun.
Who let take gun? I tell you say who let take gun. Yeah. Come back here. Where you say they go? Where you say they go? You want die? Give me the money. Give me the money. And okay, you want to hand over now? Not my work. You want die? Check your. Bring everything you get. Start yourself. And you. She own hand rubber and I want to, abi? Get out. Take. Oh yeah, begin to come out your clothes too. Start yourself. Drop the bag. Good boys. Oh yeah, bend down. Rock jump. Now what if I do? Come on.